In a world where ComfyUI breaks the will of even the bravest artists, one man built a workflow so clean, it auto-installed itself.
Hey, welcome to the Maxed Out YouTube channel. I'm your AI guide here to walk you through Max's SDXL workflows for ComfyUI. I know I'm AI and my voice can sound a little weird, so just do me the favor and try not to think about it too much. Opening ComfyUI for the first time can be confusing. It's a common experience. It's powerful, but it can also feel overwhelming. Max has built structured, easy-to-use workflows that take the guesswork out. They're clean, they're color-coded, and they help you actually use ComfyUI instead of just stare at it. All the images you're seeing right now? They're from Max's SDXL workflows. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use them. No command line skills, no chaotic node puzzles. If you want the fastest possible setup, there's an auto-installer included with Max's Mega Workflow on Patreon. It handles everything. Downloads models, places them where they belong, re-downloads if anything fails. Just double-click the file, answer a few questions, and let it run. Link to the Mega Workflow bundled with the installer is in the description. But if you just want to try the free stuff, stick around because we are about to get into that. Let's start with SDXL Bootcamp. Hit the period key on your numpad to zoom out to get the full view. This here is Noodletron, your more in-depth guide for everything I don't cover. Start by loading Mythic Realism, a checkpoint merge created by Max. Then type your prompt and click Run. Instead of just staring at the wall, make sure your preview method in the manager is set to Auto. Now we can see the process happening in real time. This custom node on screen called SDXL Empty Latent Image. Click it, choose widescreen, enable vertical, and then run the workflow again. You can add a LoRa here too. This one, made by Max, adds avatar knowledge to the checkpoint. For image-to-image remixing, start with an image. Let's use this one. Right-click the preview, choose Copy, then paste it into the Load Image node using Ctrl-V. Another prompt, hit Run. The scores in the prompt? That's for specific checkpoints like Pony Diffusion V6. Use Simple Upscale for basic enhancement. Level 2 includes an upgraded version with more control. If you have an image but no prompt, Image to Text. It will auto-download the selected model the first time you run it. Paste the result right into your prompt and you're ready to go. So, how do you actually use all this? Click the link in the description, it'll take you to the free Patreon post. Everything you need is explained there. Now for SDXL Advanced, also known as Level 2. This workflow adds face fixing, inpainting, and stronger upscaling. Adetailer is your go-to tool for faces. Just load an image and click Run. Want to fix a specific part of an image? Use Inpainting. Right-click on the Load Image node and open the Mask Editor. Paint over the area you want changed and run. Just keep in mind, Inpainting usually needs a second pass to look decent. Max is working on a better Inpainting for version 2, so stay tuned. As promised, Level 2 has the better upscaling. As always, just load up an image and click Run. Don't worry about all the crazy settings this workflow has. Noodletron will guide you. The install process is the same. Click the link to the Patreon post in the description. Everything else you need to know is there. Here is Max's main build. the Mega SDXL workflow. No bouncing between workflows, no dragging around bloated setups like, as Noodletron would say, a lost noodle strand. Everything's in one place, clean and efficient. It includes everything from Bootcamp and Advanced plus the Controlnet depth. Canny, Open Pose, and Revision for chaotic or stylized generations. If you've used Flux Redux, this'll feel like its weirder cousin. And yeah, it comes with a full auto installer. Downloads models, retries if failed connection, re-downloads corrupt or partial files, saves logs for each run, graceful cancel support, tells you what's happening the whole time, doesn't fail and blame you. No setup stress, no scattered files. If you want the easiest way to start using ComfyUI, become a power user and start with the Mega workflow. Fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. Link in the description.
Back in my day, we didn't have no auto installers. We carried checkpoints in the snow, uphill, both ways.
Just kidding. I'll use this one. So this is my first video. That's why the editing's kind of all over the place like this. So just cut me some slack. This video took way longer than I'd like to admit. So if you liked it even a little, drop a like. And if you want to see where this channel goes, maybe hit subscribe too. Otherwise, this was just 12 hours of CapCut for 3 views. Me again, and Noodletron because yeah, he escaped the workflow. Sorry about that. Also, I don't know if I sound like a generic YouTuber or Mr. Beast, but I promise I won't do a cheesy thumbnail.